Haley, look at you. You're having issues today, aren't you, bird girl?
Were you caught the strike?
Do you think something's caught in her crop, Mama?
I don't know. Very violent. There was
Because if you look, Peakwall's like, what?
fires.
Nobody else is really seeming to give a crap.
Maybe we should move her to down in the water pool. There's something stuck in there.
Okay.
Hello?
Step up, bird. Ignore my ugly fingers.
Can you just make some sort of noise for us again?
Hang on, honey. Here. Try to get a drink. Maybe that'll help you. So she just waddles off. Continues to sneeze. My goodness. How long has she been doing this, would you say? Like, amount of time?
I heard like a chair squeak.
Ellie's got a close-up. Time for your close-up, Humbird. Oh, Haley, what are we gonna do with you? Now, how do we get you to stop? Where are the other birds? Like, where's Corey at? And Cricket? What? I'm not getting you! I'm looking at Corey right now. Don't worry, I'm not gonna videotape you. There's Cricket. She's almost asleep. Now, Haley. Can you stop sneezing? We're gonna run out of bless yous and gazoon-tights in a minute. Now, Haley, do you want a big old fancy YouTube star? 'Cause you might have to be in a minute. Okay, if this keeps up for 2 minutes, I'm turning this off. I'm so proud of you. Look at you go, bird.
What time is the show start?
We're almost at 2 minutes. My goodness, Haley bird.
Hey team, alright, let's wrap it up.
Oh, you just can't get those sneezes out of your system, can you? Poor thing.
I think we may have walked out of here.
Okay, say goodbye to YouTube, Haley.